my channel. How are you, my darlings? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, for those of you in the know, you know I'm a mother, you know I'm a wife, you know I'm a fashionista, but above all else, I am a makeup addict. Let us not even waste any time. JUVIA'S Place came out with a palette, the WAHALA palette. Darlings, sit down, grab your tea, grab your biscuits, grab your cookies, because this right here is what you call fire. So they came out with a palette and it's called the WAHALA palette. Just look at the packaging. The translation meaning drama, fire on the mountain. Let's read the back. The back says, WAHALA is a Nigerian word, a translation for drama, trouble, intensity, often used as a word and a slang in Nigerian Pidgin English, broken English. Our drama palette is a powerful selection of contrasting colors which exemplifies our inner struggles and beliefs, defending and owning your beauty in an artistic way, regardless of societal norms and standards. Our definition of a rainbow palette in its most beautiful and authentic and dramatic form. You can already see that I am all wahalaed out with this palette. I'm half Nigerian. My father's Nigerian. Yes, I love him so much. He's so good looking. If you want to know where I got my looks from my daddy. All right, so this is the palette right here, and we are going to open her up. And voila, there you have 20 beautiful shadows. And for the very first time, you have 3 fantastic glitters. Yes, darlings. So I'm going to go through the names, and I already swatched them on IG. I'm going to put them up in here for you. In here they have pressed pigments, eyeshadows, glitters. We're going to start all the way here, okay? And the top row starts with Be You, positivity, authentically you, unapologetically you. You are your power because you are your truly unique self. And that is very much like an aubergine. You would say maybe like a purpley pinky color. It's absolutely gorgeous. Then we have a pressed pigment called Stand Up, and that's very much, it's very much like a champagne color. Then we have another pressed pigment, and that's called Fighter, and that is like a very light green. And it's a shift also. It's got like a shift to it. Beside it, we've got Fire. That's a matte red. You know me. You know me. You know I love this color. Beside it, again, we have another pressed pigment, Power. Power to the people. Empower yourself. Always know that being you is your power because there's nobody like you. Then we have Unafraid, and that is very much like a purple pressed pigment satin color. Beautiful. Also has a shift. We have Pride. That's a beautiful muted matte shade, and it's a neutral shade. Fabulous. Gossip is gorgeous. It's like a golden green pigment. It is so beautiful. Again, another shift. One of my absolute favorite is Rumors. If somebody comes to you to gossip about somebody else, best believe that person will gossip about you to somebody else. My mother always says, before you believe anything, look at the person. Is the person worthy? Maybe not. There you go. Then we have Yanga. In Pidgin English, it means show off. You want to show off. You want to show off that body. You want to show off that bag. You just want to show off. And you know what? You have every right. Why not? Envy. Such a waste of time. It's a beautiful shift. Beautiful pale purple, almost like a lilac. Don't bother about envying other people because you do not know what other people are silently struggling with. We always show our best side. Why would we show our worst? We only show our best, myself included. Sometimes I might have a bad day, but I'm not going to come to YouTube, come and start saying, oh my God. No, we want to be uplifted and happy. Then we have Sis, and that is also a very brown, cool color. Blackish, brownish, but very cool. It's a nice transition. Then we have what they call Oversabi. Oversabi, you're doing too much. You're doing the most. I only asked for a coffee. I didn't ask you to bring the biscuits, the cookies, the this. I only asked, you know what, is she home? I didn't ask you to go all the way over there to find out who lives in the house. You're doing too much. Oversabi. That's a beautiful custardy gorgeous color. It's so pretty. On Silence, that's a beautiful red. It's a beautiful pinkish red, very much like Miami. It's so bright, it's so gorgeous, it's so beautiful. It's a lovely matte. And then we have that sea blue, that beautiful blue, that gorgeous, beautiful, fabulous beach Gambian blue. I have it here. It indicates love. Love makes the world go around. Then we have Woke. She woke, yeah. And that again is like a purpley pale pink. The most beautiful all over the lid. Oh my God. And then we have Unshook, and that's a shift also, like a silverish, grayish, brownish. It's very sexy. What can I tell you? One of the glitters, it is called Pepper Body. Give me my money. Don't act like you don't know. Then you have Busybody, and that's like a shocking pink, which I love and adore. It's so pretty. I have a pair of pink pants that's exactly this shade. And Cloud, the most beautiful glitter for me, the most beautiful shade, the most beautiful glitter I have ever set my eyes on in this palette. You had Yanga, which has got blue, it's got kind of sort of green, but the Cloud, absolutely gorgeous. It retails for $36. Apparently it is sold out. I don't know when they will bring it back, my darlings, but do know that you can use my discount code FUMI for this palette, as well as everything else on the website, my darlings. So before any further ado, we're going to break it all the way down, and we are going to we're going to have a tutorial for all of you all. Okay, sit back and enjoy, my loves. My darlings, do we love or do we love? Absolute peacock vibes. When I tell you, well, first and foremost, use your finger for the glitter because you will get bigger, better punch. As soon as this COVID-19 is up and we are up out of quarantine, hit this up in the clubs, baby. Hit this up in the clubs. You are going, they're going to ask you, they're going to be like, excuse me, what was that? This is very, 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 very fabulous. Love the glitter. I never do glitter, and I thought, you know what, for me, do glitter this one time, you know, and just show how fabulous this is. I heavily suggest that you do the eyes first and then you do the face. So I went in with BU to deepen it, and of course I wanted that deep blue because it really just complemented cloud. So I used the Magic by JUVIA'S, and I know the color is called Ife. Would you believe I used to live in Ife? Yes, I did. And my father used to work at the University of Ife as a doctor. So this color right here, you know, is very close to my heart. So I used that, you know, just to really punch it up out of there. You know I was going to use fire. That's my favorite color, red ever. I use fighter in the deep tear duct. And then on top of that, I put Yanga because I really just wanted to show off. Yes, my darlings. And then we put clout all over. We put on Baddie B lashes, and the Baddie B lashes in Baddie. And you know that I'm just living for Mitchell. Mitchell is doing really well. And let me just see whether I have the lashes right here. Hold on 1 minute. I used his lower lashes just to put a little there. And then I used my lip gloss, Fumi by JUVIA'S Place. We use the JUVIA'S Place palette, the Saharan palette. Yes, my darlings, it is right here for the blush and for the highlight. Just look at how it just gave me life. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I did my brows off camera just to quicken everything up for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this because this palette is life. This palette, they outdid themselves. We weren't ready, but we did a little something, a little treat for quarantine. And as far as I am concerned, you are asking me, is it F.D.V approved? It is absolutely F.D.V approved. Yes, congratulations. Bring it back. Bring it back. It was sold out. Sold out ASAP. Well, what can I tell you, my darlings? Another episode for you guys. Stay fabulous, stay healthy, stay at home, be safe at home, and I will see you very soon. All of my love from me, from Ula, and from baby Adrian. He's trying to talk now, so it's so interesting. All right, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you. Bye.